Space seems like the most silent and beautiful thing we know. But in reality it is not silent at all. Inside that dark vastness there is a phenomenon that obeys no rules. It swallows light, it bends time, it destroys matter itself. If you get too close to it there is no way back. No signal, no sound, no light. This is a black hole. But the most terrifying thing is not its power, it is the fact that we have no idea what happens inside it. 2. The birth of a black hole does not appear on its own. It is the result of death. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, its nuclear energy runs out. The internal pressure that once held the star together disappears. Then gravity wins. The star collapses under its own weight. But this is not an ordinary collapse. It is one of the most extreme processes in nature. Matter is compressed into a single point. Density approaches infinity. At that moment, space itself begins to break. And this is how a black hole is formed. 3. The gravitational trap around a black hole, there is something called the event horizon. This is the boundary. Once you cross it, there is no return. Not even light can escape. If a human gets close, what happens? Gravity begins to stretch your body. One part of you is pulled stronger than the other. You are not just falling, you are being stretched. Scientists call this process spaghettification. But in reality, this process can be worse than death itself. 4. Time distortion. A black hole does not only destroy matter, it also changes time itself. If you are near a black hole, time slows down for you. To someone watching from far away, you appear to be moving extremely slowly. But for you, everything feels normal. This means time is not absolute. It changes with space. A black hole is the most extreme example of this reality. 5. Inside the black hole, the biggest question is, what is inside? We do not know. And the scariest part is that physics breaks down there. All the laws we use stop working. Space and time become completely mixed. Some theories suggest there is a singularity inside, a point of infinite density. But that is just a word. In reality, no one has ever been there. And no one has ever come back. 6. Black holes. In the universe, we are not aware of just one black hole. At the center of almost every galaxy, there is one. Even in our Milky Way galaxy. It is called Sagittarius A. Its mass is millions of times greater than the Sun. It is not destroying us. Instead, it helps hold the galaxy together. So a black hole is not only a destroyer, it is also a stabilizer. 7. If a black hole approached Earth, what would happen if a black hole came near Earth? First, gravity would begin to destroy everything. The moon would leave its orbit. Earth would start to stretch. Oceans would rise. The planet's surface would break apart. But this scenario is extremely rare. Even though black holes exist in space, they are extremely far away from us. 8. A black hole is one of the most mysterious objects in the universe. We can observe it, but we cannot touch it. We can measure it, but we cannot understand it. Maybe the universe is trying to tell us something. You do not know everything, and you may never know everything. Final question. If a black hole swallows both time and light, then what is reality itself?